Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great and keeping yourself healthy and safe. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the classic black smoky eye, and I feel that a lot of people struggle with it, but actually it's one of the easiest eye look to do. So the first thing you want to do is take a black comb and a blending brush. So this is how we're going to go about it. Close your eyes and just here start applying your kohl. Ensure that you're sticking to your eyeline, what do you call this? Ensure that you are sticking to your lash line area and just going about like this. So notice that I'm not going to go with my kohl here and here in this area, just sticking to my lash line, and I'm leaving the inner corner area also blank because I want to open up my eyes with this and not close. So yeah, so once this is done, we'll go ahead quickly with a blending brush and just blend it. See, now most of the kohls available in the market are actually smudge proof, so you really need to be quick on blending the kohl because it gets really tough to blend it otherwise. One of the product which you can use for this kind of smoky eye look is definitely those Lakme chunky kohl pencils which you used to get. I think you still get it because they are not smudge proof and you can really blend them well. So yeah, okay, so once you've blended it, the next thing you want to do is take a transition color. I'm taking this color here. This is by Jaclyn Hill palette. The shade name is Roxane. Take a bit of that. And just go on this transition area, which is this area we call it. Just a bit above it. Again, ensure that you are just sticking, the movement of your brush is just like this, because you just want to make it like a transition color and not all over the eyes and not even going outside. Now once this is done, I'm going to go quickly with the black eyeshadow powder here. This is again in the Jaclyn palette and it's called Abyss, I guess. Yeah, I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and dab it in that powder, black powder. Again, just sticking to the lash line area and not going above it because that's where our transition color is. Alright, and then once you're done with this, then you'll again take your blending brush and then again just blend that transition color Roxane and this black eyeshadow together on the transition line. So today I'm using Jaclyn palette and there's a shade called this is called Queen, and I'm going to be using this shade for my brow bone area and my inner corner. So I'm going to take a bit of it on a smaller brush and highlight my brow bone. And same on the inner corner. I feel I can use a bit of color, black color here more. Just going to go ahead and correct it. Okay. Yeah. So a little bit of gold. So the reason why I have not gone with black in my inner corner is because I want to open up my eyes and not close my eyes. And using lighter shimmery shades in the inner corner helps you in opening up your eyes. Now again, for the lower lash line, I would use my coil and go ahead and line it. Again, I'm not going all the way till inner corner. Just here, and quickly take a small brush and smudge it. Ensure that you smudge the lower lash line because just a clean line wouldn't look good. So yeah. Then again, I'm going to go ahead with the black eyeshadow powder and just dab on the lower lash line. And then take a blending brush, just go over it. You can also use a little bit of transition color just to give it a little bit dimension, I would say. And we are done with everything with the eyeshadow. The only thing remaining is now you can curl your lashes and put some mascara. And I'm done. So this is how you do a classic black smoky eye makeup. You can see how easy it is to create this, and it just needs a little bit of practice. So yeah, go ahead and try it and let me know whether this works for you or not. I think everyone loves to do black smoky eye makeup, and I think you guys should really try it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel if you are liking what I'm creating. Until then, I'll see you soon.